In this tutorial, we are going to fix room database error. Database underscore implement does not exist. Here I'm using room database for storing my app data. To fix this problem, open Gradle file and check room database dependencies. Here we are using annotation processor, Android X room compiler 2.6 and implementation Android X room runtime 2.6 and implementation Android X room Kotlin 2.6. To fix this problem, replace annotation process with kapt Kotlin symbol processing. Okay, and we need to add dependencies for kapt. Open Gradle project file and add this line. IDE Google Develop Tools .kapt version 19.10-1013 apply false and update our JetBrains Kotlin Android to 1.9.10 and also open Gradle app file and add this line idecom.google.devtools.ksv and sync. Before run your app, just ensure that you have a source compatibility Java version 17 and target Java version 17 and JVM target 17 and Kotlin compiler extension version 1.53 and using ROM library 2.6.0 and run your app. As shown, my app completely works. Here we migrate from kapt Kotlin annotation processing tools to kapt Kotlin symbol processing. Kapt is up to 2x faster than kapt, and the kapt is now in maintenance mode. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel.